Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Nias. On this occasion, I Citra Mel Febriani from class Law 24A, a student of the Faculty of Law, Nusa Putra University. We'll present the result of a study entitled Criminalization of Drug Use Among Adolescents. This topic discussion the impact of criminalization policies on adolescents in Sukabumi, as well as discussing the rehabilitative approach and an alternative solution. I hope this presentation can provide new insight and be a useful discussion material. Let's get started. Background. Sukabumi is known as one on the natural tourist destination, expecting an increase in drug abuse among teenagers. Data from the Sukabumi City National Narcotics Agency show that the 15 to 24 age group is the age group most involved in drug cases. Based on law number 35 of 2009, concerning narcotic users are categorized as perpetrators of criminal acts. In Sukabumi, this policy has resulted in many teenagers being caught of illegal cases without adequate rehabilitation of opportunity. This condition encourages the need to review a more humane approach, especially for users from the younger age group. Be objective. 1. Analysis the impact of criminalization policies on adolescent drug users in Sukabumi. 2. Evaluate the effectiveness of rehabilitative approach compared to criminalization. 3. Provide recommendation for the more effective strategies in the handling drug cases among adolescents. Okay, next, literature review. According to Law No. 35 of the year 2009, substances from plants or synthetic materials that affect consciousness cause addiction and endanger mental and physical health. Criminalization policy users are considered as perpetrators of crimes. Prison sentences are expected to provide a deterrent effect, but in reality, increases social stigma and does not address the root cause of addiction. Okay, next, rehabilitation approach. According to Marlet 2005, rehabilitation methods include psychological counseling, group therapy, life skill training to support long-term recovery. Impact of drug abuse on the adolescents. UNICEF Indonesia 2020. Increases risk of dropping out of school, involvement in crime, mental health problems, depression, and anxiety. Okay, next methods. Using descriptive and qualitative to explore user experiences and program evaluation. Raise subject 1. 10 adolescents drug users in Sukabumi. 2. 5 officials from the National Narcotic Agency. 3. 3 psychologists from the rehabilitation center. Data collection methods. Interview, exploring adolescents' experience and evaluating rehabilitation programs. Observation, observing the rehabilitation process at the Sukabumi Rehabilitation Center. Next, documentation, analyzing BNN reports and regulation related to drugs. Next, data analysis, using a thematic approach to identify factors related to criminalization and rehabilitation. Okay, next result. Number 1, impact of criminalization on adolescents. Social stigma. Adolescents find it difficult to be accepted into society. Physiological disorders. Some adolescents show symptoms of depression and social isolation. Limited life opportunities. Prison sentence hinder education and employment opportunities. Number 2, success of rehabilitative program, helping user understand the root of addiction. Social support, including family involvement in crisis. The success of rehabilitation constraints rehabilitation facilities in Sukabumi are still limited. Number 3, barriers to rehabilitation implementation. Budget, fund for rehabilitation program are still minimal, and public understanding. Many people still support placement of rehabilitation. Okay, next discussion. Findings. Youth who are sentenced to prison experience trauma and have difficulty reintegrating. Rehabilitation has been shown to be more effective in restoring the physical and mental condition of user. Prevention, drug socialization programs in school are very important. And community involvement is needed to create an environment that support recovery. Okay, next discussion. Findings. Youth who are sentenced to prison experience trauma and have difficulty reintegrating. Rehabilitation has been shown to be more effective in restoring the physical and mental condition of user. Prevention, drug socialization programs in school are very important. And community involvement is needed to create an environment that support recovery. Okay, next conclusion. As for the solution, the result of the study showed that criminalization has a significant effect on adolescents drug users. Especially in Sukabumi, adolescents who serve prison sentences report experiencing trauma and feelings of being unachieved by society. Criminal punishment also increases the risk of the repeated drug use because it does not address the root cause of addiction. In contrast, holistic rehabilitation programs that involve psychological and family support help them recover more effectively. An effort that combines rehabilitation with socialization in schools has been shown to be a better preventive measure.
This is referensi.
That is the result of my research. I apologize if I am not fluent in English because I am still in the learning stage. Thank you.